It's Saturday 31st and Swanky and Dylan are having a wonderful game. They've slept all day together outside. Well, from the time I got back from getting all the meat for Zeta and for Swanky, and it's cooled down, and so now they're just having this mad game. She's not silly, see, she gets under there where he can't get her and teases him to death. I think Dylan had a little bit of a deja vu when he came here and saw the pool. He spent a little bit of time in there this afternoon. Oh, listen to it. I don't know if we can see her under there. Swanky! Gently does it, Dylan. I came out a little bit earlier this afternoon and just sat here in the shade next to this shell pool, and Dylan, she came over to me and sat down next to me, and then she decided she'd lay down, and Dylan just kept bringing her treasures. Well, he bought her sticks, and he bought her bits of sleepers, and he bought her hard lumps of dirt, and she just could not be bothered with it. Poor Dylan, he kept bringing all these little treasures and dropping them in front of her to play with him, and she just absolutely ignored him. I couldn't get to my camera then, but it was just so sweet the way he kept going over there, bringing something different. As a puppy, Dylan spent a fair bit of time in this pool with his brothers and sisters. Dylan, gently. Oh, and she's such a tease.